nước có đây con nào sợ what?
I'm going to give you some motivation for college. Let me tell you, son. College is a door of opportunity that will lead you to live life to the fullest. But that is usually.
Oh man, first my grandpa, then there's the Ray, and then Ashley girl. Huh? Huh?
Stop talking to listen. I am your drive. I'm your motivation. I'm trying to get out of you. What if you don't go to college? I'll be stuck with you forever while you just live your whole life away. I know you got talent, but if you don't go to college, all the talent ain't going anywhere.
So you say if I drive?
Yes, Vincent, I'm your drive. I'm your motivation and I'm your courage. Like you ever felt a jolt that kick in your butt to answer when in class and you do that? That was me kicking your butt to raise your hand.
That was you?
I know you feel like college is too hard, but I also know that you can make it through college.
What are you getting at?
I'm trying to say that college is not just about schoolwork.
Then what is it about?
It's about finding out who you really want to be. Wait, comment roll, please.
Yeah.